Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking sports thumbnail for your sports YouTube channel. If you are starting a YouTube channel about sports or anything similar and have no idea how to create a professional-looking thumbnail, this video is for you. Even if you have no experience with design or creativity, you don't need to worry. You can use the Canva website to create thumbnails in two ways. The first way is from scratch, but the best part of Canva is the second way. You can simply modify pre-made templates. You can easily adjust these templates to make them your own. To do this, create an account on Canva and go to the search bar and type for Sports Thumbnail, and you will see a lot of options. Click on Show More and scroll down. Choose whichever template you like. Find the one that fits your preference or expectations, and just customize that one. For example, I like this one. It's free. And this other one is free as well. You can see how professional they already look. You can modify them, upload your own elements, and create your own thumbnail simply by making adjustments. I think I'll go with this one. This looks good, and you will see more options. Maybe I'll go with this one. All right, just choose one, and after choosing, click it. Click on Customize this template. And now you have full access to modify whatever you want. So if you want to edit the text, for that, go to the Font section. Here, you can change any font you like. Just click on the font, and this option is for resizing your text. This one is for changing colors. And this option is for making text bold. This one for italics. This one for underline. This one for strike through. This one for uppercase, lowercase. And this one for alignment of sentences and paragraphs. You also have options for making lists and for spacing, line spacing, and letter spacing. This one is for transparency. And this option is for effects. If you want to add any effect, you can. If you want to crop, there is the crop option. And if you want to animate, though in thumbnails animation isn't required, this is the position option. If you want to position elements anywhere with one click, you can do it. Right now, I'm just undoing, and you can do the same with other text. Moving forward, if you want to add your own background, then go to Uploads and upload an image from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. For example, if I want to add this, just drag and drop it like this. If you want to add your own logo, then this one works like that. You can add your own logo or YouTube avatar as well. Now, if you want to add or replace an image in the template, just click on it. Note, if an image in a template has the background removed, your replacement image should also have the background removed. For example, if this image doesn't have a transparent background, so if I replace it, it won't automatically remove the background, unless you have Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, background removal might not be available to you. It will appear like this. So in that case, use another website to remove your image's background first, then replace it with the kind that already has the background removed. Just like this. Just replace it. Since I have the Pro version, it removes the background automatically. But in your case, you may need to remove the background elsewhere first. You can replace images just like this. You can add whatever you want. Your own text, your logo, your own images, your branding. Just play around and try everything. Once you're ready to export, go to the Share option. If you want to rename the file, there's an option for that. Then, under Share, go to Download. Since this is a thumbnail, download it in PNG format. If you want another format, that's also available. Just download it and upload your thumbnail to your YouTube videos. Yeah, that's it. It's a really simple and effective way. And to save your time, you can just modify already available templates in Canva. Keep practicing and keep learning.